Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the UpNote app is and how it's positioned. UpNote is a cross-platform note-taking and journaling app designed to help users capture notes, write personal journals, and organize information across devices. According to the official App Store descriptions, the app allows users to create notes, manage to-do lists, and organize content into notebooks for easier navigation. The same official descriptions explain that users can also format notes using tools such as highlights, colored text, tables, lists, and code blocks inside a rich text editor. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from the official listing indicates that the app includes features such as notebooks, note pinning, bookmarks, and note linking to help organize content more efficiently. The platform may also allow users to sync notes across devices like Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac so information stays updated across platforms. According to the official description, UpNote can also function as a diary or journal, and it includes security options such as note locking and biometric unlock features like Face ID or Touch ID on supported devices. The app may also support writing tools such as Markdown shortcuts, focus mode, and exporting notes to formats like PDF, HTML, or Markdown files. The developers describe UpNote as a productivity tool designed to simplify note-taking, journaling, and organizing ideas in one place. This app may be useful for users who want a single space for writing notes, managing tasks, or keeping a personal journal. For people interested in cross-platform note-taking and digital journaling tools, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.